Welcome to Golden Lifestyle International Incorporated, where wellness meets innovation. Nakakaramdam ka na ba ng mga ito? Panghihina, palagi ang pagkahilo, pamumutla, pagtaas ng blood sugar at uric acid, o pagtaas ng blood pressure. Ito ang mga sintomas na kulang ka sa oxygen. Introducing OxyGolden 900 Plus, a breakthrough that impacts our body to the cellular level. Ito ay oral oxygen therapy backed up with over 10 years of research. Gamit ang aerospace high-tech dissolved oxygen technology at validated with human clinical studies. OxyGolden drinking water with dissolved oxygen ions helps support our body's natural healing processes by improving cellular immunity, reverse aging cells, and boost cellular energy. Safe for all ages. But wait, there's more! Pwede ka rin kumita by becoming part of our Golden Mission. Startup Package, 2,750 pesos. Personal Package, 7,750 pesos. Business Package, 27,750 pesos. Wealth Package, 107,750 pesos. Your choice. Meron din tayong compensation program na realistic and achievable. Direct referral income. Earn 20% of your referrals chosen package. Imagine if they get wealth package. Meron ka kagad 21,550 pesos. Seamless binary program. Earn from first up to infinity level. Meron ding points value ang products and packages na equivalent sa peso. As an advocate, you'll also have your own organization and have your left and right sales force. Every PV they accumulate ay magiging income mo. Example, right has 1 million PV and left also has 1 million PV. It will pair up and you'll earn 1 million pesos income. Redundant team reward. Your total accumulated left and right PV is recorded and the whole team will get a reward once a milestone is achieved. Take note, dito sa GLI, paulit-ulit mo kinikita ang mga PV na na-acquire mo at ng team mo. Walang sayang! At ang maganda pa dyan, wala ditong monthly product maintenance, fifth pair at product force buying. Kasi sa ganda ng produkto ay bibili ka talaga. At ito pa, sa GLI, one account policy lang. Kaya sigurado na mas mabilis lumaki ang iyong team. In addition with this, we have extreme encoding that is designed for spillovers for the growth of your network. You can also avail local and international trip incentives here at GLI. Be part of our Golden Mission. Enhance your life and elevate your lifestyle. Join us and let the journey begin.